Clear? What you need to make a circuit? One cell, torch cell, connecting wires and one switch. This is the switch. How can you make a switch? With the help of two drawing pins and a safety pin. You have to put the safety pin on the cardboard. Okay, at one ring of the safety pin you have to fix a pin, drawing pin like this. Okay, at some distance you have to fix another drawing pin. With the help of disconnecting wires you can make this switch. Okay, it will be working. If you touch, you rotate, it should be in the rotating form. When you rotate this, and when now switch is in the on position, when you put it like this, when you keep it away from the other pin, then it is in the off position. This is your switch. We call it key also. So circuit आपको समझ लग गया. This is open circuit, and when you touch this, after rotating, when you touch it, then it is in the closed position. Clear? Now it is closed circuit. Now it is open circuit. Open circuit means circuit is incomplete. Current is flowing when it is in the on position. It is complete circuit. It is closed circuit. Okay, then bulb will glow. When it is in off position, bulb will not glow. Means current is not flowing from in between the two terminals of the cell, because one gap is there. Can you tell me the direction of current? In which direction current flows in a circuit? Yes, beta? Very good. From positive terminal to negative terminal. तो ये इस साइड से आएगा, करंट फ्लो करेगा टुवर्ड्स दिस साइड, बट गैप शुड नॉट बी देयर व्हेन दिस इज क्लोज्ड. ओके, द सेल मे बी डेड इन दिस और सम अदर. ओके, नाउ इज वर्किंग. Some loose connection may be there. Now it is in the on position. Bulb is glowing. Clear? Bulb glows when it is in the on position. अब ऑफ कर देती है तो bulb is not glowing, means circuit is open, circuit is incomplete, current is not flowing. Can you draw this now easily? Okay, what are the different components of circuit? Dry cell, torch bulb, connecting wires and switch. This is homemade switch, so it is made by using two thumb pins, one safety pin. Okay, safety pin should be it should be freely, it should be able to rotate freely. Clear? You have to fix it like that. This is another circuit. We will use it as tester to test whether the given material is conductor or insulator. We have to take some sample materials. We will use them to check that they conduct electricity or they do not conduct electricity. Give me one eraser. Now this is working. When we complete the circuit, the bulb glows. Okay. If in between these two connecting wires, if we complete the circuit by using a rubber, so rubber is an insulator, bulb does not glow. Clear? And back side of it is made up of plastic. If we try plastic, so plastic is also an insulator, means do not conduct electricity. Okay, now give me one pencil. We will check the lid of the pencil. Yes, lid of the pencil is conductor. You can see when we attach it to the both the wires to complete the circuit, the bulb glows because lid of the pencil is conductor. Clear? So what do you mean by conductors and insulators? Who will tell what you mean by conductors? What are conductors? Yes, and yes,
Then which pass current through.
yes, these are the objects. Conductors are the objects which allow the electricity to pass. When electricity passes through them, the materials which allow electricity to pass through them, they are conductors. अभी हमने जो टेस्ट किए, which materials were conductors? हमने किया lead of the pencil. Okay, lead of pencil, it is conductor. Now, what else you want to try?
Sharpener.
Sharpener, give it to me. Yes, any coin or yes, if we are checking this sharpener is an object which is made up of plastic. So plastic, it is, otherwise it is insulator, but I don't know. Okay. Yes, it is insulator. Okay, does not conduct electricity. Clear? So plastic, or if we are talking about objects, so we will write
Plastic.
no, plastic is material. Object we will say plastic sharpener. Clear? If I try this is metallic, so it is conductor. Clear? If bulb glows, when I complete the circuit in by using a metallic safety pin, so bulb glows, it means it is a conductor. Clear? So all metals, they are the good conductors of electricity. Metals are the good conductor of electricity. So what else you want to test? Scale? Yes. If we use a scale, okay, in the key, okay, so scale does not allow the current to pass through it. So plastic is insulator. Plastic is an insulator. Yes, beta. Now, what do you mean by insulators? How will you define? This plastic is insulator. It will not come here.
Ma'am, what can be conductor?
We will check. Insulators. अभी तक हमने lead of pencil और metals ने conduct किया, plastic में नहीं conduct किया electricity. So insulators are the
Not conduct electricity.
yes, they do not allow electricity to pass. Do not allow
Electricity to pass.
electricity to pass through it. तो अभी तक जो हमने मटेरियल यूज किए जब बल्ब नहीं ऑन हुआ, it was plastic and what was there?
Rubber.
Okay. Rubber or eraser, we can say. It was insulator. So now you can try a piece of cardboard also. Okay, when we use it to complete the circuit, की में हम यूज करते हैं, bulb does not glow, it means paper is also an insulator. So insulator में paper भी आ जाएगा, paper और cardboard. Clear? Conductors में अभी तक metals, lead of pencil. What else you want to try.
Ma'am, blade of sharpener.
Ma'am, actually not good.
Ma'am, pen.
Ma'am, pen.
What is this?
Ma'am, you don't can.
Torch cap. Okay. If it is metallic, then it will allow. Yes, this is also metallic. Torch cap. Then
Pen.
Ma'am, pen.
yes, pen. Okay. Pen is also made up of plastic. So bulb